Good day, I'm Gina Jiménez and I'm going to talk about the effect of anthropogenic noise on the acoustic communication behavior of the poison frog Andinobates bombetes. Communication is essential for the survivorship in breeding or organisms. In animals that use acoustic communication, noise can make communication difficult and hence reduce the fitness of individuals and populations. In this context, noise is any sound that interferes with the transmission of information between transmitters and receivers. Given that anthropogenic noise is present in many natural habitats and can mask acoustic signals of individuals, we wanted to test. How does the ruby poison frog Andinobates bombetes alter its calling behavior in the presence of anthropogenic noise in the habitat? For this, we located calling males in field and performed the following assembly. With this experimental assembly, it was possible to record the call of a same male under natural conditions, low levels of anthropogenic noise, and under high levels of anthropogenic noise. Based on the statistical analysis of these 22 males, we found that males increased the dominant frequency of the call when were exposed to anthropogenic noise. But the males didn't change the other call features when exposed to noise. Now, anthropogenic noise is more intense at low frequencies than at high frequencies. Therefore, when a male increased the dominant frequency of his call, he reduced the level of acoustic masking by noise. More studies are necessary to test how this increase in call frequency could alter the perception of signals by receptors, including potential mates. This plot shows the results of a previous study with Andinobates bombetes. As you can see, this species exhibits intraspecific geographic variation in call frequency, and apparently such variation is because the effect of abiotic noise. Our study was in a population with low levels of abiotic noise. When males of the study area were exposed to noise, they increased their call frequency to 4,900 Hz on average. Therefore, this call frequency tends to be similar to the call frequency of the population that has been exposed to anthropogenic noise by more than 40 years. This suggests that increasing call frequency could be an example of adaptive plasticity. Well, on the other hand, in this population, in addition to calling at higher frequencies, it was found that individuals called at times when the traffic noise is relatively low at the calling side of males. This would imply that the distribution of individuals is influenced by other factors rather than by anthropogenic noise. And in fact, the distribution of frogs in the population is related to bromeliads, which are used for the development of their tadpoles, but is not related to traffic noise level or other habitat characteristics such as humidity. We are grateful with the biology program at the University of Quindío in Colombia and many people for logistics to support to this study.